How to lower your Verizon FiOS bill. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is take a close look at your current plan and access whether you are subscribed to services or features you don't need or use. For instance, if you have premium channels or internet speeds higher than necessary, consider downgrading to a more basic plan. You can also contact Verizon's customer service and inquire about available promotions or discounts. Sometimes simply asking for a lower rate or mentioning competitor offers can lead to discounts on a bill. Verizon often offers discounts for bundling multiple services such as internet, TV, and phone. Consider bundling your services if it's cost-effective for your needs. Keep an eye out for promotions or special offers from Verizon. They frequently run promotions for new customers, but existing customers might also be eligible for discounts during certain periods. Some providers offer discounts for enrolling in autopay and opting for paperless billing. Check if Verizon offers any incentives for these services. Some companies have loyalty programs that reward long-term customers. Inquire if Verizon has any loyalty programs or reward for loyal customers. Be mindful of your data usage, especially if you are on a limited data plan. Avoid exceeding your plan limits to prevent additional charges. Likewise, reach competitors in your area to see if there are better deals available. You can use this information as leverage when negotiating with Verizon. If you are renting equipment from Verizon, such as routers or set-top boxes, consider purchasing your own compatible equipment to eliminate monthly rental fees. Lastly, make it a habit to review your bill regularly to ensure you are not being charged for services you then request or unauthorized fees. By implementing these strategies and staying proactive about managing your Verizon FiOS services, you can potentially lower your monthly bill and save money over time. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.